Makeup done. Yeah, it's been a second. As more time passes, like this clip or this video or having to stitch all the footage that I have been filming is just like feeling more and more daunting. It's ridiculous. Forgive me if this video feels a little jumbled, a little all over the place, but that is definitely the energy that we are exuding and existing within right now.
Get out of the bush. Come on, we're going to walk. Come on, we're going to walk. We're taking a walk.
There she is. Happy Sunday. It's about 1 o'clock right now. I've been out and about. We did kind of like a hike walk with the dogs, so I want to reset my face. I have been loving these Sophie Pavitt Face Micellar cleansing pads. It's nice when you want to just do like a quick wipe down. I actually need to get another one of these. I feel like this would be really good to have in the car to wipe off any sweat from like a workout. I am feeling pretty good about my skin right now. I have this sunspot right in the middle of my forehead. It's like a little bit raised. I tried just like Target lasering it a little bit last week. If I can remove this before our wedding, I will be very happy. Moisturizer, a classic for me. Sunscreen, of course. It is so warm outside today. Peaches was actually refusing to get leashed up to go on our little morning walk. For anyone that remembers when we adopted her, this will probably hit really hard for you because every time I think about it, I'm like, where has the time gone? But Peaches is gonna turn 8 years old in August. I think the craziest part about it is that she has the heart and spirit of like a 2-year-old. She sleeps more throughout the day, but her waking hours are still insane. The sweetest compliment that Phineas and I will get when we're out and about is someone asking if Peaches is a puppy. But also I think it's like her coloring. She's starting to get gray on her face, but you can't really see it because she has very light tan hair, and so I think that also is making her look really young. Doing this is a luxury to me. So in one of these drawers down here, I have a bunch of little brown face towels, and every few days I'll plop one on the counter. Any brush that I'm using on my face, I will quickly spray down and I will clean it on this towel. You guys, it's been so long since I last vlogged. What's up? How's everyone doing? Shout outs to Olivia Jade. She just launched her makeup brand Opicala, and this is the shade Light. I love how these flick and snap when you bring them up and down. Contouring a little more. This is with medium. Teacup. I'm just gonna spot conceal and go a little under my eyes. I'm gonna like let that bake. I've been using a new brow pencil. This is the Anastasia Archie Brow pencil in medium brown. So teeny tiny, thin. I will say this pencil is very soft, so you don't want to blend it too much because you'll kind of lose the strokes. I wish it was a little bit drier of a formula. Peaches got a hold of my brow gel. Skin by Ella Rose. There's a Rare Beauty pressed powder that I really want to try. I'm really picky about powders, you guys. But I've really been enjoying less setting powder. So like I'll do under the eyes, get in between here. Let's do the lips. Cowgirl, MPH. Darling Pink, Chanel. AC is really loud, but cute. Oh, hi Peach. It's like she knew. You guys, that was so cute. This is the last area in our home that is still being worked on. So this pergola has been in the process of being built for the last few weeks. If you guys remember last time, we actually had a very similar structure here before, except it was white and everything was a little bit lower. So we decided to update it, bring in some cedar wood. We stained it this really beautiful dark brown and we wanted it to stand a little bit higher. We saved all the tiles that were on top, so these will be going back on. There's still a lot of landscaping decisions that need to be made and finished. So you can see some of these pots haven't been planted yet. This might be the thing that I was most excited about with our house renovation. We decided to redo the pool. I'll put a photo up on the screen of what it used to look like. This whole pool was concrete. Oh my God, Peach. Oh my God. Oh, she's so happy to be back here. I found this tile and then matched the teal as the backgrounds. I also wanted to add a little outline on that step. We have it over here as well, so everyone can see the steps when they're walking down. And yeah, we're so happy about it. What, are you going crazy in this area too? I placed an order on the Container Store and it came in the mail. This is my makeup, hair, vanity situation. I've been so excited to organize it, finally. I found these two different drawer organizers. One of them splits long ways and the other short. You're gonna die at how perfectly these fit, if my calculations were correct. Oh, you guys. It's also the perfect height. I still need to decide what goes where, what version in each drawer. Another satisfying drawer.
Mom's in town. So cute.
It is so unbelievably bridal season. We're full force now. We are going. The things are starting. I'm gonna have a bridal shower this month. Still don't have my outfit quite yet, but I will have an appointment on Thursday. I did order actually one dress. We're making moves. Nothing concrete yet. Today I'm shooting with Sephora and I'm excited. It's gonna be really cute. I'm like delivering Sephora bags to doors and there's a whole kind of like creative direction. I'll be getting my makeup done on site by Carly Fisher, which I'm really excited about, but I do need to do my own hair. So I slept in these heatless curls. Let's pray that they came out good. I'm getting picked up in like 45 minutes. Okay, sometimes it just gets like a little wonky, so I'm not even gonna separate my hair. I'm gonna wrap it around before I separate it, if that makes sense. Got a matcha. We gotta do some damage control really quick. Could be worse.
I love you. I gotta go.
I love you.
Have a great time at Sephora.
Thank you.
Your curly hair looks so pretty.
Thank you. This is one of my jackets I'm bringing. Athletic jacket, so cute. Beige skirt, cute little beige heels with like a silver buckle. Makeup done by Miss Carly Fisher. That's gonna be it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Feels so good to be back from this accidental break. My next video is going to be bridal shower themed, the planning process, footage from the day. It was really, really, really cute. Thank you again for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.